If you're looking for Nature's Truth baby products, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Nature's Truth baby products video collection. Number 1, most popular, by Nature's Truth. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Nature's Truth. Number 3. For more great options and ideas, click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Nature's Truth. Find these Nature's Truth baby products at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Nature's Truth baby products ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.